All right, guys, we're going to hit up day number 2 for 12-2, surface area of prisms and cylinders. Remember, cylinders we're going to do on day 3. Today's objectives, again, same as yesterday, find lateral area and surface areas of prisms. Day 1, we spent time on finding lateral areas, so today we're going to find area or surface areas of prisms. So let's talk about what a surface area of a prism is. Lateral area, just to remind you, is all those faces area, the sum of the area of the lateral faces, so not including the bases. Well, surface area today is going to be lateral area plus 2 base areas. All right, so surface area, we're going to represent by SA, because LA is lateral area, and we're going to represent base areas by a capital B. So surface area for a prism, let's simplify that. Lateral area is perimeter times height plus 2 base areas. Unfortunately, we can't simplify base areas any further because sometimes our base is a triangle, sometimes it's a square, a rectangle, a pentagon, a hexagon, an octagon. So we just have a few short problems to do today. It says find the surface area of the regular prism. So let's first off think about lateral area. Perimeter times the height. So let's call our base, this one sticking here on the end. So we're going to find the perimeter of that base. So 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6. All right, we're going to end up with 20. And we're going to times it by the height. Remember, the height is going to be the one not included in the base. So times 9. Plus, now here's surface area is lateral area plus 2 base areas. So we're going to have 2 base areas. Area of that base, it's a rectangle, so we're going to just do base times height, 4 times 6. All right, 20 times 9 gives us 180, plus, figuring that next piece out, we get 48. If we add them together, we have 228 feet squared. Remember, it's still an area, so our label is squared. Okay, find the surface area of this triangular prism. So we need to first do our lateral area. So we're going to do perimeter of our base times our height. Ooh, triangle, missing this third leg here. So we're going to do Pythagorean theorem. It's not marked in the picture here, but it is marked on our sheet that this is a right angle. All right, so 12 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. Go ahead and do Pythagorean theorem and find our hypotenuse. And we get roughly 17, right? All right, so perimeter of our base. 12 plus 12 plus 17 times the height. Remember, the height's the number not included in the base, plus our base 2 base areas. All right, our base for our triangle is 12 times 12, and we divide by 2. Going ahead and doing this, let's do our first part, 12 plus 12 plus 17 times 8. Do that out on your calculator. And we get 328. Plus, now look at this next piece. Our 2's will cancel out. So 12 times 12, just we know that, is 144. Go ahead and add our 2 pieces. And we get 472 millimeters squared. All right, we have one more here, and this last one is for you guys to do on your own and come with this done for tomorrow. So real short lesson today, and we'll be investigating more tomorrow. See you guys then.